In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join eBay's global shipping program and explain exactly how the eBay GSP works. If you're an eBay seller looking to expand your reach into international markets, this program is a fantastic way to simplify the process. The Global Shipping Program, or GSP, is designed to handle the complex logistics of international shipping for you, making it easier to reach buyers all around the world without the usual stress and paperwork. To start, it's important to know that you don't have to actively join the Global Shipping Program through a separate application process. Instead, if your listings meet certain eligibility requirements, eBay will automatically enroll them for you. This means fewer steps on your part and seamless integration into international selling. So let's break down how it all works and what you need to do. Eligibility is key here. For your listings to qualify, your items need to be located in the United States. Additionally, they must meet specific category requirements and not exceed an item value of $2,500, excluding taxes, duties, and delivery fees. Once your listings meet these criteria, eBay takes care of the automatic enrollment process. This means that any eligible listings you have will be included in the Global Shipping Program without any additional action needed from you. Now let's discuss the buyer checkout process. When a buyer from an eligible country purchases your item, they will pay for it along with the international postage and any applicable import charges. All these costs are bundled into their checkout, which is simplified for ease and efficiency. As a seller, your role is straightforward. Once a purchase is made, you'll need to send your item to a designated eBay Global Shipping Center in the US. From there, eBay steps in to handle the international leg of the shipment. This involves everything from customs clearance to the final delivery to your buyer, ensuring the process is smooth and hassle-free. Not only does eBay manage this often complicated part of shipping, but they also make it easier for the buyer by ensuring that the checkout process involves only a single transaction. This payment is then split accordingly between you, eBay, and their shipping partner, Pitney Bowes, who facilitates the international delivery. In terms of payment, you, the seller, will receive the full item price plus the cost of domestic postage. Meanwhile, eBay receives any applicable buyer protection fee and covers the domestic postage cost if the item is eligible for simple delivery. In summary, eBay's global shipping program is a powerful tool for sellers aiming to expand their business globally. By handling much of the logistical challenge, it allows you to focus more on selling while leaving international shipping to the experts. So if you meet the criteria, rest assured that the program is designed to provide both you and your buyers with a streamlined, efficient, and worry-free international shopping experience.